Hello, guys. Welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 12th February current affairs. Welcome to our channel, Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Saksham, that is Shramik Shakti Manch. Shramik Shakti Manch. It is a portal launched by TIFAC, that is Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council. Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council has launched Saksham. Here, this Saksham is a dynamic job portal for mapping the skills of ceramics, vice versa, requirements of micro, small, and medium enterprises to directly connect the ceramics with the MSMEs and facilitate placement of up to 10 lakh blue collar jobs. Here, this Saksham job portal will help eliminate middlemen and labor contractor as well as the help identification of skill proficiency level and development of skill cards for these Shramics. That's why this Saksham portal is a healthy and good initiative for this Shramics. Next one, Seaweeds Mission. Here in India, we less heard about this type of seaweeds. Why? Because in if you see the most of the Asian countries are famous for this type of culture or this type of harvesting. That is seaweeds mission. That is it is a another name for this seaweeds is algae. That is Technology Information and Forecasting Assessment Council TIFAC has launched seaweed mission for commercial farming of seaweeds and its for processing for value addition towards boosting national economy. If we consider the China, South Korea and Japan, these countries has contributed more towards this type of seaweeds. Why we will use this seaweeds? Here they have medicinal values and we can use it in a soups and we can use it in a curries also. That's why this type of seaweeds mission has launched by TIFAC. Here, establishing model demonstration farms over the 1 hectare for cultivation of economically important seaweeds in a near shore and onshore along the Indian coast. Here, in coming future, India has also concentrate more on this type of seaweeds mission. Then only our GDP will increase. Next one, India and Australia Circular Economy Hackathon. Here we know that there is a linear economy. Here now we are moving towards the circular economy, that is from linear economy to circular economy. If you see the linear economy like this, raw materials from that we will production, after that we will use, and after their use it will be turned to as a non recyclable waste. Here if you see the reuse economy, that is there is also a raw materials from that one production, after that we will use, and again if you recycle that one then again we will use, after that final stage is non recyclable waste. Here if you see the compared to this linear and circular economy, from raw materials and as well as recycling we are using again and again, that's why we will call it as a circular economy. From this we know that what is the circular economy and linear economy. Then we will see the what is the what is this type of hackathon. Here IAS is a India Australia circular economy supported by the Australian Department of Industry, Science, Energy and Resources, that is DISER, AIM Atal Incubation Center Network and various domain experts. Here, a circular economy model which employs not only waste management but reuse, recycling, and responsible manufacture can support the development of new industries, jobs, reducing emissions, and increasing efficient use of natural resources. The main objective of this circular economy is reuse, recycle, and responsible manufacture can support the development of new industries as well as jobs also. The most important one, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and increasing the efficient use of natural resources. Next one, Vijayanagara district. Here, Karnataka government has issued a notification, that is, there is another district. Uh, Now, there are officially 31 districts in Karnataka. With Vijayanagara, the state now has the 31 districts. Here, this named after the capital of Vijayanagara Empire. The new district was carved out of from Ballari under the Karnataka Land Revenue Act 1964. Here, Vijayanagara, located in Hyderabad and Karnataka region, is famous for its UNESCO World Heritage sites, that is Hampi and Virupaksha Temple. If you see the talukas in Vijayanagara district and Ballari district, that is Vijayanagara district, Housepeta, Kampli, Hagari Bommanhalli, Kottur, Hadagali, Harappanhalli. These are the taluks in Vijayanagara district. After that, in Ballari district also, Ballari, Kurugodu, Sirukuppa, Sandur and Kudigi are the taluks in new districts. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.